Senior citizens are among the most vulnerable to the coronavirus, and an elder care facility in Richmond, Virginia has become the focal point for the growing problem of the virus spreading to our nation's retirement homes. At least 35 people have died from the virus at this one facility. That is about a third of all coronavirus-related deaths in the state of Virginia. New numbers coming out just in the past hour. NBC's Katie Beck joins us from Richmond. Katie, good to talk to you. What are officials there telling you this morning?
Oh, good morning. From the top of state government, this is the biggest priority in the state right now, trying to contain the massive outbreak that is happening at the facility behind me and is ongoing. As you said, those numbers are just staggering. In the state of Virginia, there have been reported 119 COVID-19 related deaths. Of those 109, 35 of them have happened in the building behind me. They have an additional 90 residents that have tested positive, and 25 of their healthcare workers also infected. So this is a situation that is spiraling out of control right now. The governor of Virginia is saying that he wants to make this a top priority to try and get this under control. The medical director at this facility says he doesn't even believe they're past the worst of it. He says, judging based on the conditions of some of the patients inside, that he does expect future fatalities to occur at this facility. So obviously a pretty grim picture for the state of Virginia, which has largely been seen as containing this virus and doing their best to flatten the curve. Right now, really struggling to sort of minimize what's going on here. Additionally, this facility is about to reach another grim milestone, which is that it is about to match the number of deaths that happened in Kirkland, Washington, very early on in this pandemic. One of the largest outbreaks happening at a nursing home facility there claimed 37 lives. So as we said, right now at this facility, 35 lives have been lost, and they are expecting more.
Katie, let me get your thoughts really quickly. I don't know if there's any specific number on this, but you mentioned the health workers there or the caretakers that are there, many of them as well, also getting exposed to this virus. Is there a shorting? Is there a short of staffing there? Do they have any kinds of problems maintaining the care for many of these elderly folks in these homes?
Well, their big challenges initially were with PPE. They really did not have enough of it to supply their staff, and that is why there have been the infections they have there. Also is the county manager here who has said that this facility was offered some help with testing early on and refused it. And so that early warning could have been how this outbreak spiraled out of control. At this point, I think their staffing is good, and they're doing their best to isolate the healthy patients that they have. But a lot of this, is day by day, and they're saying there are patients in there that are gravely ill at this point, and they do expect that they will be having a higher death count than they do right now.
All right, Katie Beck, live for us in Richmond, Virginia. Katie, thank you so much.
Thank you for checking out our YouTube channel. Why don't you subscribe? It's really easy. Just click on that button down there. And for more news from MSNBC, click on any of these videos here for the latest interviews and highlights. You can get more videos from MSNBC with our newsletters. Head over to msnbc.com/newsletters to sign up.